Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through a simple and easy to follow step on how you can easily change your name on Toon Blast. So let's dive in straight into the video. First of all, open the Toon Blast application and make sure it loads up. After you're inside the main homepage of Toon Blast, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner, which will then open up your settings menu. In the pop-up, tap on change name. Go ahead and enter a new name you'd like to change for your account. Remember that you can only change your name once, so make a wise choice. After you are done, tap continue. Enter the name you'd like to change to one more time in the box and tap on continue in order to change your name. Confirm your name by tapping yes and wait for a few seconds, and you have successfully changed your name on Toon Blast. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.